Good morning, everybody. Today we have a special announcement. We're going to have some internships with some very famous heroes that have a special mission that's going on. I think they're called the Avengers, and there's some weird wrinkly thumb looking guy. He's like killing half the planet or something. I don't know. I haven't been told. So we're gonna pass out assignments soon, and just be ready, okay?
Yes, the plan is in motion.
Boom. Yo, brother man.
Well, hello, nice to meet you, kind sir.
I like your glove is like the coolest shit I've ever seen.
Every time I get a stone, I get a lot stronger. How about you?
They must have been so hard to get. Did you travel far?
I've been traveling around the galaxy, fighting weird heroes.
Like raccoons and
Star-Lords and Star-Lords.
You know, I heard about that. My little boy that I love, Shigaraki, would love that glove if I could borrow it one day.
Definitely. However, it's not complete. I'm missing one stone that will complete it. After that, I can wipe out 50% of humanity.
Oh, okay, that sounds like a deal. I like that.
Wait, can you help me find the last stone?
Sure.
It's called the Hero Stone.
I think that maybe All Might might have it. He is my nemesis.
Oh, that he definitely has it. Let's make a plan.
Okay, let's start the plan.
All right.
At this bar that I have.
Oh, freaking awesome.
Why are we at this school? What even is this school?
Hello, Robert.
Hello, you can address me by Tony Stark. If you don't remember that, I know we've been through a lot.
Who's Tony Stark?
Call you.
Hello.
Oh, who are you?
Oh, sorry. It's me, All Might. Anyway, I heard that you mighty heroes came to the school to look for students to do internships.
Yeah, it would kind of be good to have actual, like, real heroes, but I guess,
We're, like, not that real. You seem pretty real.
Yeah, we just need some more power for what we're going on.
Alright, well, I brought my comrade.
Alright, everybody.
Best Genist. He knows the most about the students.
See, this guy knows what's up. He's got jeans on his face. Be respectful, Downey Stark.
What? Alright, well, I'll leave it to Best Genist, but I'll be on standby.
Alright, guys, so we've got some promising heroes in our hero course.
I've been looking at these profiles that I was sent via email. It looks like I might be good with this boy Kirishima. He seems to be hard, and my shield is quite hard.
Yeah, he can get pretty hard, but I think that you should have our golden boy, Izuku Midoriya. He's actually All Might's boy.
All Might has a son?
No.
All Might, I never heard. Congratulations. I knew it.
Todoroki, how'd you get here?
I've been researching for years, trying to find the connection between Midoriya and All Might and prove that he's a secret love child.
No, he's not. And
He is though.
Todoroki, just go back to class.
Have fun, guys.
All right, bye.
So I'm getting Golden Boy?
You're gonna get Midoriya. I want a kid who, you know, maybe is quick on his feet. My last intern turned into dust in front of my eyes, and I miss him a lot. It was a hard time. Okay, you want a fast boy?
We promise we won't turn yours into dust.
Yeah, that'd be good, please and thank you. You can have Tenya Ida. He runs really fast. Okay.
I want a chick who's as awesome as I am. What?
The only badass girl there is in this whole school is Mina Ashido. She's just badass. She's all pink. You can't miss her.
Okay, I'll go check.
Yeah, I'll go with. Your name is Clint? Yeah. I haven't been around much lately. Why don't you go for another one of our top students, Katsuki Bakugo? You know, I'm gonna warn you right now, he is a little pain in the ass, and he's very angry, but he's super powerful, and I think he could help you guys. Wait, he's like angry all the time? Yep, all the time, all day, 24/7, angry little boy, you can't miss him. He explodes a lot. Great. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited!
Hello, Mina. I heard you're pretty freaking awesome.
Yeah, I shoot acid from my body.
I can use that.
What's your hero name?
Black Widow.
Dang, that's so cool.
What's your hero name?
Pinky? I'm like Alien Queen. I don't remember.
We should check on that before,
Yeah. So can you like show me some sweet moves or?
Yeah, we're gonna go to the shoot. You're gonna learn how to use a gun.
Oh, okay.
And pretty much every other weapon.
Okay. I saw something. Are you like dating that green guy, that big green guy, Hulk?
It's complicated.
Or are you dating that like that guy that just like popped in and out?
That would be Hawkeye, and he's my friend. Okay?
It's love forever. You should totally get with him again. Where's the Hulk guy? Oh,
He's doing an internship with Bill Nye. All right. Well, let's get ready to shoot stuff.
Okay, show me how to shoot.
Okay.
So, all you do is run.
Excuse me, sir. I heard I needed to come talk to you about an internship.
Yeah, we got some heavy stuff going on. I need
How
you to-
heavy?
The last boy I had, he couldn't handle it. You know, he was an amazing guy.
Was he an amazing Spider-Man?
You know, he was.
I will do my best to serve you, sir.
I'm gonna work on making you a suit. Because I see that you have one, but I want you to be able to fly also.
That would be fine. Just one thing, and sorry to be disrespectful, but I don't want you to change the design too much because I'm trying to kind of mimic my older brother, Tensei.
Okay. Try to like run up some buildings. I need to see how fast you can go. Oh. Making me want a shawarma. You know. Do you like shawarma?
I love shawarma.
You guys eat shawarma here?
I eat shawarma 3 times a week.
Oh my gosh.
Should I eat more shawarma?
Yeah. We need
Okay, let's go.
copious amounts of shawarma.
I will make the most shawarma. Let's go.
Let's go.
I know the best place.
Oh my gosh, Captain America!
You are just the fluffiest little bunny I've ever seen.
I promise.
Do you have an American spirit?
I'm Japanese. I'm not
Have
American.
you ever fought in a war?
No.
Have you ever fallen into an ice pit and got frozen for like 70 years and lost the love of your life?
I have a friend who, like, he puts some ice around sometimes, and
Midoriya. Do you know this guy?
this is Captain America. How do you not know him?
I only know one hero, or at least I only knew one until I came to UA, and that's Endeavor.
Oh.
All right, soldier, you need to take a rest. Some well-earned R&R for you.
Yep.
Oh.
Sorry about that. He's like one of my best friends, so.
So, how are you with shields? Can you throw... Here's my shield. I want you to throw it as hard as you can.
Okay. Yeah,
I mean, that was...
there it goes.
that
I
was
mean,
pretty
it's
good.
pretty far in the atmosphere right now. Who's that other guy? Bucky or...
That's my buddy. See, you got your traumatized friend, and I have my traumatized friend. Sounds like we have a lot in common.
Yeah. Well, I think I can help you out.
I'm so excited to work with you.
Listen, kid.
No, you listen. I had to take extra classes to get my freaking hero license because I failed the first time. I got homework up the wazoo, and now they're telling me I gotta do more work? What's this crap about?
You know, the fate of this world is riding on this, and we need your help. I heard you were like one of the strongest in the school.
Who told you that?
The guy with the pants on his face.
Best Jeanist told you that?
You seem very strong. So what we're
You
gonna try
don't.
to do Excuse me?
You don't look that strong. You look like
Have you seen me shoot a bow and arrow?
No, I haven't.
Well, what we're gonna
When's the last time you shot a bow and arrow?
A few movies ago.
That sounds like a long time. Maybe you should follow me. Do you even have a hero license?
Yeah, I'm Hawkeye. I'm a hero.
Okay.
You know, there's
Hawkeye. You know, we already have Hawk, so we don't need Hawkeye. Sounds like you're a poser.
what we're gonna try to do is you're gonna try to explode the arrow as it shoots. Now it's gonna be really fast, but you're gonna try to do it. Okay?
That sounds
We're gonna
like
have exploding arrows.
cakewalk.
Okay, well if it's a cakewalk, then you can do it. All right, let's go over to that building over there and. You totally got this.
I got the last stone.
Oh no!
Midoriya, that's
that-
who you have to fight.
One for all, we're gonna go 2,000,000,000%. Oh,
That felt like a tickle. Don't worry, Midoriya. With this new suit from Rob Stark.
make me proud, boy.
Whoa! Get him!
He's too big. This guy's like a boulder. Ew. All right, Bakugo.
Oh.
Dude, we're gonna try and do the arrows, okay?
All right.
3, 2. It's not working. We suck.
Ah! No one can defeat me. It's just as simple as that. Mister, that is a cool glove.
Mineta, stay away from him. Everybody's tried to beat him and they can't.
I will give you 500 of my sticky balls if I can borrow that glove. Okay.
Thanos is down.
Oh my god.
Holy crap,
I
dude.
accidentally killed that guy.
Dude, you want a shawarma for that?
Oh my god, this little boy is a miracle.
Does this mean they're all coming back? Mr. Stark? My amazing spider boy. I've missed you so much, Tony Downey Stark.
I'm an Avenger.
Man, thank you, boy, for saving. Oh my gosh, Mineta, you did it.
Are you single? Yes.
Dude, she's so hot.
Oh my gosh.
I'll say it's a job well done, Mineta. I'm sorry, All Might, I couldn't do it.
It's fine. Mineta is just... I'm gonna give him... You should give him...
Like a cookie.
No, give him your quirk.
Fuck that.
I can't believe my little Izuku said a curse word. Oh my god. Izuku!
Sorry. You know what this means, Mineta? You beat out Bakugo. He is coming for you now.
Oh.
You should watch out.
Hey, buddy. So if I beat you, that means I'm the strongest, right? Oh. And you know, I've taken you out plenty of times before. Oh. Mineta's dead.
Ding dong ditch dead.